The Khasi Students' Union KSU on Wednesday called on Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and pressed for the implementation of its 20-point charter of demands, including the long-pending enforcement of the Inner Line Permit ILP in Meghalaya. The KSU delegation, led by President Raymond Karjana, met the Chief Minister at the State Guest House, Taraghar, where the two sides held an extensive deliberation on the issues earlier submitted by the Union following the installation of its new office bearers. Addressing the media after the meeting, Raymond Karjana said the discussions were comprehensive, with each of the demands taken up in detail. On the ILP issue, he said the Chief Minister conveyed that the proposal continues to remain pending with the central government, while assuring that the state government would persist in pursuing the matter with the centre for an early resolution.
Oh, you're going to give this? Okay.
Daski nakaliang jongka Khasi Students Union Central District Council lawan ni wani kundu UCM abede bagi aputli kimat jingdawa joseng bang lar pha haski penskam halan rotrik limba kamil bat has pratrik bat daga limba shiti hak kopi di kejingkan lalong kabal kamjorong kendiat bat ibu nimat ibalai kren kebaningkong laikan syai ya kemat wede bat ka cepetekam no inline permit ya ka ba nakaliang du siam luang ba kani kadang don ha kadi kamat jong ka central government but nakaliang ka state government kan yai persang kan yai tendu ya ka jingkhang jong ka central government banyo cepetekam no ya ka LP hani ka jela jungi analor jong ka LP ka ba ar ngai kren chupang ka jinglong jingman jong ka MRSSE hani ka jela jungi kumbang lai ki hani si balet ladon ka kubor ka bangi limbas lat patai kubor social media ka dei ban pengala ya kata ka felicitation center every exit point sya kata ka food court da ka syang dan kren mentasi ha jinglang bat ngilong ba hokit rodang na kaliang joseng inumla ban nginum sya ban ILR ya ka nonu ka kenhula di ka sarkar ban pengala ketika felicitation center sya kata ka food court maku mangitip hi kini ka an kalong ka kepala penmi na usam arja khamri ba kalong ka kepala slam ba ban penrekam ndai na kaliang jong usiam lapan pau tu ni kijing ka bede ba ka jing diku bat ka central government bat ka jingyo jingbet na state no governor ndai ngilakan dak basai ba dakum nuru iron kam ban kwa ban ino ya kata ka jing penrekam pura ya kani ka entry exit point MRC but habang iyo ban penrekam ya ke MRC mud idon kami kita ki kerdop ki ban talasi MR kam kita ki kerdop kam don jingmut ban penrekam ya kata ke MRC dalor kata gladon ru ngelaikan ru sepang ka Meghalaya Residential Safety Migrant Workmen Act arajar arpo ya ka ba hak sistem ki balalet na kaliang seng ngila ai ya lagi jingmut ban penrung biang so katu ni ki an haka katu ni ki kendon ha ketigaan kerang man penklan ya ketigaan hendai songsi pat banong ba ya kaniru ke benta hadu mentang pat la ban i ya kata ka jingtrai kampura jong kani kaan ban kaliang du siam ulong ba persang man ya pentrikam ni kaan namar kat kum ka jingmut ka jinon kam hi kalong ba tang banda ba ni don kam man yo ya ka police verification jong itu gibriu kinong bela di buan kabar jela syak ni ka ban bela sani kari wait jongi but nakaliang jong ka sarkar klap yang kata but ngangit scam ba insai ya kata ka jinglong do long snam jong ni kaan han ni ka jela jongi han ni si nalon kita ki bro ki bun ki issue ki ba ngelai keren berkentup ya ka reformation haka education sector health sector nangta ka sports policy but ka reformation haka MPSC but kiwi de idon kimat kiba life assurance ban balak man penbet ha hagini tayo kani kisni idon kimat kiba don kam banda ban genap som perkat ba poin kimat kiba ngilai kran kadi halor ka SD order 1950 haka bangi i ba bon ba ki weipat ki jat binrio kiyo ban ban enjoy kata liberty ban ya jinglong jong ka riulum hakani ka jela ka jongi but ya kani nglat kan syai ban nakaliang jong usiam long ba hadin mulai opriang ya sti jongi haki benai akan nutrik opratrik jong brand badak ladap and form ya committee about clear da deputy chief minister